Welcome back everyone. In the last video I have solved one simple biological math problem. In this video also I will solve genetic code related biological problem. Okay. First we have to see the question. If the genetic code is tetraplet or pentaplate, then what is the possible number of codons which code 20 types of amino acids? This kind of question is very important for West Bengal School Service Commission SLST biology preparation. We all know this genetic code is triplet in nature. Okay, this genetic code is triplet in nature. Now the question asks if the genetic code is tetraplet. Now you have to remember very simple formula. Okay, the formula is bases to the power number of codon. Okay, now we know bases are 4, and if the genetic code is tetraplet, then the number of codon will be 4 to the power 4, and if the genetic code is pentaplate, then what will be the possible number of codons? Simple formula, same formula, bases 4 to the power 5. Okay, in case of 4 to the power 4, we have to write like this way, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, and in case of pentaplate, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so if the genetic code is tetraplet, the possible number of codons will be 256, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, and if the genetic code is pentaplate, then the possible number of codons will be 1024. Okay, this is the answer. In this way you can solve this possible number of codons. If the genetic code is tetraplet or pentaplate, then what will be the possible number of codons which code 20 types of amino acid? In this way you can solve this type of questions. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like that. Thank you very much.